In this video, we're going to look at the comparative to compare things and the superlative to talk about extremes. This is Claire and this is Max. Claire is taller than Max. Claire is 1,60 m and Max is 1,30 m. Sam is taller than Claire and Max. Sam is 1,80 m. At 1,80 m, Sam is the tallest. We use the comparative to compare two or more things. We use the superlative to talk about extremes when we are describing one thing. Nobody is taller than Sam. Sam is the tallest. To make the comparative form of short adjectives, we add er to the adjective and than. If the adjective is one syllable and ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, then we double the consonant and add er plus than. If the adjective already ends in an e, we simply add an r. And if the adjective ends in a y, like heavy, then we change the y to an I and add er. To form the comparative of long adjectives, which are two syllables or more, we use more plus the adjective plus than. More powerful than. Some adjectives are irregular and we just have to learn them. For example, good, better than, bad, worse than. For the superlative form of short adjectives, we put the before the adjective and we add est. If the short adjective is one syllable and is consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the consonant and add est. If the adjective already has an e, we add st. And if the adjective ends in y, then we change the y to an I and add est. For long adjectives with two syllables or more, for example, powerful, we put the plus most before the adjective. The most powerful. And finally, for irregular adjectives, we have to learn them. Good, the best. Bad, the worst. Here are some more examples of comparatives. What's your opinion? Do you agree? Vigo is prettier than Madrid. History is more interesting than geography. Barca are better than Real Madrid. And what about these superlatives? Finland is the happiest country in the world, so they say. English is the most interesting subject. What do you think? And Liverpool are the best football team in the world. Let us know what you think in class.